Hello guys, in today's video we're going to talk about September 2022 Visa Bulletin Board and also NVC update regarding cases, document and emails, basically inquiries they are working on this week. If it's something you want to know, just stay tuned and I'll be right back.
USA Mon.
Hello my beautiful people, this is John from USA London. Welcome back and thanks for watching. If it's your first time on my channel, as always, welcome. Here my goal is to help newcomers, permanent resident and also US citizens regarding the I-130 process. Sometimes we talk about different other immigration topics and also any topic that will help newcomers here in the United States of America to have a better life. But like I said in the introduction, today, just like every week, we're going to go over NVC update, and then on top of that we're going to go over September 2022 Visa Bulletin Board for some of you guys who are not immediate relative, who is waiting for either your welcome letter or any of your appointment letter, and you have to check your visa the Visa Bulletin Board every month. So if you petition for a relative, you know that once the case is approved by USCIS, it will move to NVC National Visa Center in case your relative will come to United States of America on immigrant visa. If your relative already lives here in United States of America, guys, don't pay attention to NVC. It means that the case will stay at USCIS and your relative will be able to adjust his or her status to become a permanent resident. But if your relative will come to United States of America on immigrant visa, just like I said every time, then you're going to focus on NVC National Visa Center. So this week on NVC announced on their website that they are working on cases they received from USCIS on August 17, meaning that some of you guys will receive your welcome letter. On the welcome letter, you will get your case number and invoice ID you will use to log into NVC Computer Electronic Application Center. Most of the time, if you are immediate relative and your case is approved by USCIS, it can take roughly 45 days to get your welcome letter. But if you don't get your welcome letter past those days, you can contact NVC and let them know. Okay, some of you guys who are not immediate relative, meaning that you are siblings of a US citizen, you are, let's say, spouse of a green card holder, or you are adult children of US citizens, those people have to wait until their priority date becomes current. Okay, so once you log into NVC Computer Electronic Application Center, you will pay fees and you will submit some document. Then what's gonna happen is NVC will review those documents, will review the fee that you pay, make sure everything is correct. If there is a mistake, they will let you know, but if there is no mistake, then you're gonna wait for your interview appointment later. So basically this week NVC announced on their website that they are reviewing document they received from you guys on June 29, and then some of you guys again you're gonna be document to qualify, and NVC will notify you and you wait for your interview appointment letter. Okay, and then the third update always is about inquiries. Some of you guys have questions you wanna ask NVC, where they do their best to respond to those inquiries, those emails you send them. This week they announced on the website that they are responding to emails on inquiries they receive from you guys on July 6th. Okay, make sure you check your inbox so you don't miss any email coming from NVC National Visa Center. So guys, like I said at the beginning of this video, we're gonna talk about this month on Visa Bulletin Board. If you're ready, let's go in front of my computer.
Okay guys, like I said, today we're going to talk about family sponsor preferences. We're going to talk about the F1 category. You see, that's the first category here, F1, and then we have F2 category. So F1 is unmarried sons and daughters of US citizens, just like as you can see here. F2A right here, which is on spouses and children of permanent resident. We got F2B, which is unmarried sons and daughters 21 years of age or older of permanent resident. We got the F3 category, which is married sons and daughter for US citizens, as you can see there. And then F4 category, which is brothers and sisters of adult or US citizens. Okay, so we're gonna talk about that. So the first one we will talk about, the first chart we're gonna talk about is gonna be date for filing. So for date for filing, we have all those categories I just mentioned. We got the F1, as you can see here, F1, we got a F2A, F2B, we got F3, and then F4. So like I always tell you guys, maybe you are new on this channel. Well, if you are from Philippines, or you're gonna look right here, okay? In Philippines, that's all you're gonna pay attention to this column right here. If you're Mexico, you're from Mexico, your country of origin Mexico, this is it right here. This is what you're gonna pay attention to. India right here. China mainland born right here. But if you are not from none of those countries, okay, if you are not from none of those countries here, then you have to pay attention to this right here, which is all chargeability area. Okay, this is what you're going to pay attention to. So if you're in F1 category, you are not from none of these countries, you have to check this date right here, which is on cutoff date. So if your priority date is before this date, which is on August 8th 2016, means that it becomes current, and you should get a notification from NVC or USCIS. Okay, if you're in F2A category, it is current. It's current. There's nothing you're gonna compare your priority date against. It's current. If you're in F2B category, the cutoff date is on January 1st 2017. F3 category, November 8, 2009, and then F4 category, December 15, 2007. Again, you have to check your priority date against this date. If your priority date, which is the day you file your petition, is before this date, then your priority date becomes current. Okay, but if you are from China mainland born, for example, F1 category, this is the day you're gonna check. F2A category is current. F2B is going to be January 1st 2017. F3 is going to be November 8th 2009, and then F4 category, December 15 2007. From India, the same date here, August 8 2016. F2A is current. F2B on January 1st 2017. F3 is going to be November 8 2009, and then F4 category, February 22nd 2006. If you're from Mexico, you are in F1 category, your cutoff date is December 1st 2001. F2A is current. F2B is going to be August 8 2001. F3 is going to be April 15 2001. F4 March 15 2001. And then Philippines, like I said, you're going to pay attention to this column. If you are in F1 category, your cutoff date is going to be April 22nd 2015. If you're in F2A, is current. F2B, October 1st 2013. F3 is going to be November 8 2003, and then F4 category, April 22nd 2004. And that's the date for filing. Okay, so people in this category are waiting for their welcome letter, basically. So now let's move to final action date. So this is the final action date chart for September 2022, basically this month. Well, like I just explained, if you are not from this country here, China mainland born, India, Mexico, or Philippines, you're gonna pay attention to this column right here. Very simple, it's not that complicated. So if you're an F1 category and you are not from none of these countries, you're gonna pay attention to this. So your cutoff date is December 1st 2014. So all those dates you see over here, if your priority date is before those dates, it means that it becomes current. You should expect a notification from either USCIS or NVC, just like I say, for the date for filing. F2A category is current. There's nothing you're going to compare your priority date against. F2B category is September 22nd 2015. F3 category, November 22nd 2008, and F4 category, March 22nd 2007. China mainland born, if you're in F1 category, here's the cutoff date, December 1st 2014. F2A current. F2B September 22nd 2015, just like over here. F3 category, November 22nd 2008. F4 category, March 22nd 2007. India, same date as this one, as China mainland born, December 1st 2014 for F1 category. F2A is current. F2B September 22nd 2015. F3 category November 22nd 2008. And then F4 category September 15 2005 for Mexico. F1 category is going to be March 15 2000. F2A category is going to be April 22nd 2019. F2B April 1st 2001. F3 October 15 1997. And the F4 category is going to be June 1st 2000. For Philippines, we have F1 category, which is March 1st. The cutoff date is March 1st 2012. F2A is current, just like the other countries. F2B October 22nd 2011. F3 June 8 2002. And then F4 August 22nd 2002. So these people who are checking the final action date chart are the one who are waiting for the interview appointment letter. So basically that's what we have as far as chart on date for filing chart, and also final action date chart for September 2022. If you have any question, let me know in the description below.
Guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys love it, learn something from it. If you know somebody you think will benefit from the video, go and share with that person. If you like the video, click on the like button. If you want to be notified every time I have a new video, click on the bell. If you want to subscribe to this channel, you already know what to do. Just click on the subscribe button. Once again, my name is John. Thanks for watching. Again, before I let you go, if you want to support this channel, we have a thanks button on below every video. You can click that to donate money, just to support on the channel. Again, my name is John. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in another video. USA Monde.